Hello everyone, I'm Suspensions Guy. I make videos on automobiles, vehicle dynamics and design of cars. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates on my latest videos of race car engineering. Today we'll be talking about luxury automobile brand that is Genesis Automotive. We'll be looking at which automobile manufacturer owns Genesis cars, the whole brand overview, the vehicle lineup and design and manufacturing of the Genesis cars. So firstly we'll be looking at which automobile manufacturer owns or makes Genesis cars. Genesis or Genesis Motors is owned by Hyundai. Hyundai thought of this high-end luxury brand in the late 2004 but actually came up with the vehicle in the year of 2015, 16 and 17. It is an high-end luxury vehicle manufacturing division by Hyundai. While the company is fairly new, every Genesis model is made with high precision and high level of reliability. It provides utmost comfort. It ambitiously aims to battle BMW, Lexus, Mercedes-Benz and Bentley as they are currently dominating the high-end luxury brand division. Genesis logo has become a symbol of luxury all around the world. So, looking at brand overview, the 2021 GV80 and GV90 models of Genesis target the consumers looking for high-end luxury vehicles. The company doesn't do so by selling the models at highly outrageous prices, but the price range of the Genesis models is around $50,000, which is quite less comparatively to the other luxury brand vehicles out there. The brand has become known for its high quality, high performing luxury vehicles with rare as well as all wheel drive that provides a lot of value for money versus the companies like BMW, Mercedes Benz, and other luxury companies out there. The larger G80 and G90 sedans are pretty new to enter the big leagues, but they do offer good value for money for compared to the other German luxury sedans. Now we'll be looking at vehicle lineup of the Genesis models. Genesis offers a fleet of elegant vehicles under the name of G series. Currently, Genesis has G70, G80, G90, GV70, and GV90, which have extraordinary specifications and design. In addition to that, in 2018, Genesis registered for GT70, GT80, and GT90 trademarks for preparation of three Grand Tourer models. Now we'll be looking at some interior and exterior of the Genesis models, starting with the G70. Now we'll be looking at G80 model. This is the G90 model of the Genesis. Now we'll be looking at luxury sedans, GV70. This is the GV90 model. Now, if you want detailed specifications of all these models, you can check up the Genesis website. Now we'll be looking at design and manufacturing of the Genesis Automotive. The company has design studios in Germany, South Korea, and United States. They are produced and manufactured, however, only in South Korea. While Germany, Korea, and United States are primary locations for designing, producing, and manufacturing of Genesis models, they are marketed, sold, and driven all over the world. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel to get more amazing videos on similar topics of race car engineering, automobiles, and vehicle dynamics. Thanks for watching.